Good morning, class. How are we doing today? Today we are going to learn about the difference quotient in calculus. The formula states the limit of delta x approaches 0 with f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. Here I am going to show a substitution for delta x. So let delta x imply h. So the limit of h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. The function we will be working with today is f of x is equal to the square root of 2x plus 3. So f of x plus h will equal the square root of 2 times x plus h plus 3. Now we need to distribute, so f of x plus h will equal the square root of 2x plus 2h, and then add 3 to it underneath the square root. So now the limit of h goes to 0 of the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 minus f of x, which is the square root of 2x plus 3, all divided by h. Now we must rationalize the numerator. So we need to flip the sign in the middle when multiplying. So we're going to multiply by the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 plus square root of 2x plus 3 divided by square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 plus 2x plus 3. Now, when we multiply this with the numerator and denominator of square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 minus square root of 2x plus 3 divided by h, we will get some major simplification that will occur. So when we FOIL the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 multiplied with the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 will yield 2x plus 2h plus 3. And then the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 multiplied by square root of 2x plus 3. As you see, that's the second set of multiplication that is occurring. Now we need to multiply the inner terms. First we multiplied the outer terms, so minus square root of 2x plus 3 times the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3, and then minus the square root of 2x plus 3 times square root of 2x plus 3 will break down to minus 2x plus 3. And then in the denominator, it will be h times the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 plus the square root of 2x plus 3. And as you see, the limit of h approaches 0. Now, in the numerator, we will see that the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 times the square root of 2x plus 3 minus the square root of 2x plus 3 multiplied by the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 will cancel out. Because if we flip the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 multiplied with the square root of 2x plus 3 as the third set of multiplication, you will get nearly the identical set of the second set of multiplication that is occurring in the numerator, and they will cancel out as you see the green pin marks going through. And so that will leave us in a numerator with 2x plus 2h plus 3 minus 2x plus 3. And so 2x minus 2x will cancel out, and 3 minus 3 will cancel out. So the only thing left in the numerator now is 2h divided by h times the square root of 2x plus 2h plus 3 plus the square root of 2x plus 3. And the h will cancel out in the numerator and in the denominator. So now we are left with the limit of h goes to 0, and we must bring the limit of h goes to 0 straight down with every step that you take, as shown on the paper. 2 divides the square root of 2x plus 0, and that is replacing the h, plus 3, plus the square root of 2x plus 3. Now the square root of 2x plus 0 plus 3 breaks down to the square root of 2x plus 3, and now we have identical square roots, so we place a 1 in front of the roots and add them together as the limit of h approaches 0 to obtain the limit of h goes to 0 of 2 divided by 2 multiplied by the square root of 2x plus 3. And so in the numerator, you want to factor 2 and state 2 times 1 is equivalent to 2. And then we can cancel out the 2's. And now we have our solution of 1 divided by the square root of 2x plus 3. If you need online math tutoring, text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan. Please donate on the Cash App with the $ up front, MLBFan. Thank you so much. Let's learn math together.